Hello students, this is Shanthan sir and this is a revision class for class 6 of chapter number 10. So in this class we have to solve some stories, some problem. So just try to solve the first problem. Find the cost of painting a wall at rupees 55 per square meter if width of the wall is 12 meter and the height is 14 meter. So just try to read the question properly. Here is given, find the cost of painting a wall at 55 rupees per square meter if width of the wall is 12 meter and height is 14 meter. So here is given width is 12 meter and height is 14 meter. So at first we have to find the area. So what is the form of area? Area will be length into breadth. That's mean 12 into 14. Now it will be 12 into 14, 10 14s are 140 plus 28. So it will be 168 square meter. Now per square meter is cost 55. So here is total. So for 1 square meter the cost is 55 rupees. So total 168 square meter. So the cost will be 168 into 55. So total cost will be 9240. Understood everyone? Now try to solve another question. Question number 2. The area of a rectangular garden is 285 square meter. Find its length if the breadth is 15 meter. So the area of a rectangular garden is 285 square meter. Find its length if breadth is 15 meter. So length we have to find. Breadth is given 15 meter and area also given 285 square meter. So simply find length, just divide area by breadth. So here is area 285 and breadth is 15. Now simply cancel by 5. So here 3. If we cancel 285 by 5, then we will get 5 5s are 25. Carry 2, 3. So 5 7s are. Now 3 19s are 57. So length will be 19 meter. Understood everyone? Now try to find shape picture. Find the area of any shape picture. Here is given one shape. Here one figure. Next this and next this. Here is given this is 10 centimeter. This length is 4 centimeter. This length is 2 centimeter and this length also 2 centimeter and this is total 12 centimeter, and here this 6 centimeter, and this is also 6 centimeter. So just try to divide the shape into different part. Think that this is a figure number 1, this is a figure number 2, and this is a 3. So area of 1, here is length equal to 10 into breadth equal to 4. So area will be 40 centimeter square or a square centimeter. Next, area of 2. Just try to find the length as well as breadth. So here, so this is total 12, and here is this is 6 up to this. So it will be again 6. So right here 6 into, now breadth. So this length is 6, this length, and here given this length is 2. So this length will be 4 centimeter. So now 6 into 4, that's mean 24 centimeter square. Now try to find the area of 3, figure number 3. Here is length 6 and breadth also 6, that's mean 36 centimeter square. Now add them and we will get 640, carry 1, 3, 5, 6, 40, 100 centimeter square. Understood everyone? Now try to solve all the problem from exercise number 10.3. If have you any problem, then call or WhatsApp me full freely. Okay, bye everyone.